In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate text field data in DocuSign templates and envelopes with this full 2025 guide. To get started, log into DocuSign and open your account. From here, you can either start a brand new envelope or open an existing template you want to edit. The goal is simple. You want the same piece of information, like a customer name, to appear automatically in multiple places without making the signer type it again and again. Next, upload the document you want to use. This could be an agreement, intake form, or any file where repeated information appears throughout the pages. Once the document is loaded, go into the Prepare or Field Placement screen so you can begin adding fields. Now drag a text field onto the document and place it in the first location where the information should be entered. This first field acts as the source for the repeated value. After placing it, click on the field to open its properties. In the Properties panel, look for the data label, sometimes shown as the field label. This setting is what controls replication. Give the field a clear, unique label, such as customer name. The exact wording matters because DocuSign uses that label to identify which fields should share the same data. If the label is different, even slightly, the fields will not link properly. After that, drag another text field onto the document and place it wherever you want the same information to appear again. Select the second field and set its data label to exactly the same value as the first one. Customer name. Make sure the spelling, capitalization, and spacing match exactly. You can repeat this process for as many fields as you need. For example, if the customer name appears on page 1, page 2, and page 4, each of those text fields should use the exact same data label. This is the key to making the data replicate automatically across the document. Once your fields are set up, test the replication. Open the envelope in the signing experience or send it for testing and type a value into the first text field. Then check the other fields that use the same data label. They should automatically fill with the same value. You can also create a second set of replicated fields for other repeating information, such as an email or address. Just assign each group its own matching data label, so each type of information stays connected correctly. Finally, if you plan to use the